In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete OneDrive account. If you want to remove OneDrive from your computer, the process is actually very simple. In this walkthrough, I'll show you how to disconnect your OneDrive account from your PC using the settings built into the OneDrive app. This is useful if you no longer want your files syncing on this device, or if you're switching to a different account and want to stop the current one from being connected. To begin, look down at your taskbar and find the OneDrive cloud icon. It's usually located near the bottom right corner of your screen, close to the system tray where icons like Wi-Fi, volume, and battery appear. If you don't see it right away, you may need to click the small arrow that shows hidden icons. Once you find the OneDrive cloud icon, click it to open the OneDrive panel. After the panel opens, click the settings icon. This is typically shown as a small gear in the top area of the OneDrive window. Clicking that gear will open a short menu with more options related to your OneDrive account and app preferences. From that menu, click Settings. This will open the main OneDrive settings window, where you can manage how the app works on your computer. If you've never opened this section before, don't worry. Everything is organized into tabs, which makes it easy to navigate. Next, click the Account tab. This is the section where OneDrive shows the account that is currently connected to your computer. You'll also find options related to storage, syncing, and account management here. Make sure you're in the correct tab before moving on, since that's where the Unlink option appears. Now click Unlink this PC. This is the option that disconnects your OneDrive account from the computer. Once selected, OneDrive will stop syncing files between this device and your cloud storage. In most cases, you may be asked to confirm the action, so if a confirmation window appears, go ahead and approve it. And that's it. Your OneDrive account will be unlinked from the PC. Keep in mind that unlinking your computer does not delete your Microsoft account itself, and it does not remove files stored in OneDrive online. It simply stops this specific computer from being connected and syncing with that account. If you found this helpful, you can follow the same path again anytime you need to reconnect or switch accounts.